Hello friend, Joe at the office here. Today I want to work on showing some calculations in Excel, very common calculations, the mean, the median, the mode. These are common in finance, statistics. I know I used them a lot when I was working on my bachelor's and my MBA. Very common. Let's learn how to do them quickly. So I have an Excel spreadsheet here called calculations and a data set. This is the data set, just a bunch of random numbers between 1 and 100, and we want to calculate the average of all of these. So to do that, we average. I'm going to average this array of numbers, enter. The average of all these numbers is 47.12. So the mean, or the average, is a calculated central value of a data set of numbers. To calculate it, you add them all up and then divide by how many of the numbers there are. So this is the most common method of statistically measuring numbers spread across containers, which is useful in finance and statistics. Median is the middle of a sorted list of numbers. So as we calculate the median, of all of these numbers, what the formula does is it sorts them in numerical order and then finds the middle number. When would you use median? So median is resistant to data outliers. When your data set has a few values that are high or very low, it makes just using an average problematic. It's not going to give you a true value that you're looking for. So median deals with outliers. Mode returns a value. If you take a mode of a data set of numbers, it returns a value that appears the most in a data set. So let's go ahead and do this. Mode of these numbers is 58. So the number 58 is used the most times in this data set. It's not necessarily where the power of mode is. So mode is most useful when dealing with non-numeric data sets, like finding the most purchased color of a product that you are selling. So for that example, I've created a second data set here in the I column, and it's just a bunch of colors. So a number of colors of products that we've sold. So this is a little bit different because you have to identify the index. Let's see. Go ahead and copy that so we don't have to do that. Index that data set, and then we can find the mode and match that data set, which is that data set, to look up, and then an exact match is what we're looking for. What I do for it to put, oh, yeah, still works. Hey, completed. So white. So white is the most common color in this data set, again, of products that we've sold, and that is how we determine it on a text variable. So when you have text in a data set, you have to do it this way. All right, I hope you find this useful. Use it in your classes, use it in your business. It's common. If you did find something you could use in here, please hit like and subscribe, and thank you for coming, and take care.